Good morning, girls.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, I'm good. Thank you, girls. Today we have a new lesson about fish. Let's know more about fish. Look at this video to know more about fish. Fish are animals that can live in water, fresh or salt water. Okay? They lay eggs. It means they are born from eggs. You can see the eggs?
Yes.
And they have fins that help them to swim and move in water. And their body are covered with scales. And they breathe with gills. Okay? Here we have some characteristics of fish. Are you ready, girls?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Be with me. Fish are animals that live their whole life in water. And they lay eggs, breathe with gills, have backbones too, and their body are covered with scales. And fish also have fins that help them to move in water. Okay? Let's see the gills. Here we have parts of fish. For example, we have gills. Okay? That we said that in mammals, birds, and amphibians. We said that breathe with what? Breathe with what? No, mammals, birds, and amphibians breathe with lungs. But here in fish it's different because they don't have lungs, but they have gills. They breathe with gills. And their body are covered with scales. And they have what? Fins to help them to move in water. Okay? Okay, girls, I want to show you something to know more about fish. Okay, girls, here we have a real fish. We said that fish breathe with what?
Gills.
With what? Gills. Here we have gills. Okay? And we said that fish cover their body with what? Scales. You can see the scales?
Yes.
Here we have the scales, okay? And we said that fish have fins that help them to move in water. Can you see the fins?
Yes.
Okay, and this is mouth and eyes. So there was our lesson about fish. Did you enjoy it, girls?
Yes.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay.